I still was kind of doing, I was still at the point that, architect and construction was two different things.
Mm-hmm.
And so that's when I first really started to see. I also, for the first time in my life, saw what people were talking about architects.
Yeah.
I had the blessing and privilege to work, like I said, with Freelon and Gensler.
Yeah.
So I didn't really know to a certain degree about what bad drawings were.
Oh, yeah.
But I learned real quickly. Coordinating things, checking things. I was going out in the field and checking, flashing details and other things. And then I was kind of, starting that kind of virtual design and construction process there as well of, how do we do that and what do we do with that? Because that was starting to kind of come into the industry more. So that was really good. And then the most eye-opening thing with that was I went to my first BIM forum at that time, the AGC BIM forum. And I was amazed there to see these young people on the construction side, maybe my age, maybe a little bit younger, and how they were sharing with one another. And they were all from different, organizations, different companies, but they were just sharing what they were doing, how BIM was changing the industry on the construction side and stuff like that. And so, that kind of sparked my interest and kept me interested because I'd always been using technology to further what I was doing.
Yeah.
For example, I was modeling in Form Z all of the buildings I did and just exporting out DWGs to do the articulation for the construction drawings because I wanted to see how the spaces looked. I wanted to share with people, what they look like. When digital cameras came out, I would do a punch list in about 15 minutes and people were like, how did you do that so fast? I would just go take photographs of everything.
Yeah.
And I would compile it into one big, huge PDF. I would write on the PDF, mark it up, draw over it, whatever, and
That's
boom,
right.
there it was, done.
Yeah.
So I bring stuff into Illustrator and draw over the photographs.
Yeah.
I mean, all kinds of things. So I kind of always had that kind of technology thing in there.